In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Spotify playlist directly into Notion so you can listen to music while working, studying, or organizing your projects. This is perfect if you want a clean music library inside Notion without constantly switching tabs. I'll walk you through every step, so even if you're brand new to Notion, you can follow along easily. And before we jump in, if you enjoy simple software tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside Notion, go to the page where you want your Spotify playlist to live or create a brand new page. To do that, simply click on New Page from the sidebar. This gives you a blank canvas where you can customize everything from scratch. Next, once your new page opens, look at the top of the page and click on Templates. Templates make it really easy to get started without building everything manually. When the template gallery opens, scroll through or use the search option to find a template called Music Library. You'll usually see it with a little music note icon next to it, which makes it easy to recognize. Once you find the Music Library template, click on it to open the template preview. This template is designed specifically for managing music, playlists, and listening habits inside Notion. After reviewing it, click on Add to add this template directly to your workspace. Notion will now create a new page using the Music Library layout. Now that the Music Library page is created, you're ready to embed your Spotify playlist. Inside the template, click into the area where you want the playlist to appear. This could be inside a section, a database entry, or directly on the page. Once your cursor is active, type the / key on your keyboard. From the slash menu, you can either select Embed or simply paste your Spotify playlist link directly. To get that link, open Spotify in your browser or app, navigate to the playlist you want to embed. Click on the 3 dots, choose Share, and then click Copy Playlist Link. Go back to Notion, paste the link, and press Enter. Notion will automatically detect the Spotify link and convert it into an embedded player. After the embed loads, you'll see the Spotify playlist player right inside your Notion page. You can resize it, move it around, or place it exactly where you want within your music library. From now on, you can play, pause, and browse tracks without leaving Notion. This makes it incredibly useful for focus sessions, planning pages, or personal dashboards. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Spotify playlist in Notion using a built-in template and a simple link. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.